Because there are those who would go to hellfire because of their praying. They were praying to see themselves better than everybody else. And I learned from my shuyukh is that Muslims or a Muslim should never see himself better than anybody else, and not only that, better than anything else, even a pig. And you might think, what do you mean? See myself? Well, in some respects, yes, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, وَلَقَدْ كَرَّمْنَا بَنِي آدَمَ. We have dignified Bani Adam. So yes, but in another respect, the pig could be better than us. How is that? What is more better? What's better, knowledge or ignorance? Knowledge, right? Okay. Do we have knowledge about the destiny of a pig? Yes, we do. It will turn into dust on the day of judgment. So the conclusion is known. And the known is better than the unknown. Our conclusion is unknown. We don't know if we're going to paradise. Are we going to have husn khatima? Or, وَالْعِيَاذُ بِاللَّهِ هَذَا سُوء خَاتِمَةً. So our destiny is unknown, and the pig's destiny is known, and the known is more noble than the unknown. So in that respect, until we know where we're going, the pig is better. In that respect. In respect of the destiny. In other respects that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has, given you a spirit, that's something else. Yes, in that respect, you kind of, وَمَنْ يُعَظِّمْ شَعَائِرِ اللَّهِ. You sort of, وَمَنْ يُعَظِّمْ شَعَائِرَ اللَّهِ. In that respect, you respect Allah's will that He created something in mankind that is more noble than everything else, which is al-arwah. Alright, so in that, I don't say then I am better than a pig because my ego, but I just submit to the will of Allah. But in the sense of destiny, I recognize that His destiny or its destiny is known and mine is unknown. And it's Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has dignified ilm. So I have to respect the ilm in there.